this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change this lock screen password on your Samsung phone. So you can just see I have a selected swipe to unlock. So I just have to swipe it. There's no specific password, but we can change this if we want something more secure by going to settings. And we want to go on down. So you're going to see an option for a lock screen. If you go here, there's not going to be an option to change it. So what you want to do is actually go right below it. There's going to be an option for security and privacy. Go here. Then we can choose a lock screen right here. It says set lock screen. Now you can see you have swipe on here. So there's currently no security apparently. But I can go to pattern, password, or even a PIN. So you can choose one of these. So let's just go to PIN for example. And then we can type in a PIN. It says 6 digits at least. So let's just type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just remember what you put in here. So that must have been 6, number 1. So we can just go to continue now. And then you can change PIN. Looks like it's pretty easy to guess. So we can just go to a different one if we don't want it. So we can just type this in. Otherwise, pattern is a lot easier just to remember. So I just do something easy like this to remember real quick. Confirm it. Now I can go back and that should show up on here. When I unlock it, sweet. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.